Uh, bamboo India, that is why Government of India has already started National Bamboo Mission in 2006 and again repeated in 2018. So, especially in this COVID time, is very important for rural people. So, my talk will be divided into three parts. Why we need a rural agriculture economy for bamboo, then the models, then last part will be suggestion and maybe policy point. See, COVID means we have to isolate. So, if there is a, suppose if there is a product, but we can sell, this is the problem. So we have to focus our rural agriculture in such a way so that the money will be in this area. Uh, the problem of COVID will may continue maybe for 1 2 years, and after that, this is my view that the fourth industrial revolution and due to COVID, the people are changing to more of digitalization, and the artificial intelligence is coming up in the new industry. So the more skilled people, the unemployment will be generated in the society. So the Dr. Amar has already told you that Northeast area, Northeast region is the disadvantage because of geographical position. So, so he has already detailed description is given. So my emphasis is why not? We should go for bamboo and agriculture model. For example, bamboo suit is very popular in Northeast India. It is our culture, but this bamboo suit is not very much popular in Northern India or mainland India. So why not innovate some uh, product so that it will be consumed by the Indian population, normal population? Because 30 years back, nobody wants to eat mushroom in Northern India, but now mushroom is one of the uh, food consumed in the party or marriage, wedding party or something like that. So it's popular, very popular. So my just suggestion is that we have a very good culture of fermentation of bamboo shoot. Why not to develop probiotic nutraceutical product from bamboo shoot in Northeast India, so that it's better to concentrate on Dr. Amar said that high value product from bamboo shoot, fermented bamboo shoot, we can develop some nutraceutical product that can be exported to the mainland India, that can be eaten by everyone. And we have a strength of Northeast India. It's a mixed farming. So with the rice, we cultivate with cultivation with rice, with cow, goat, pigs, chicken, and so many things. So it's a very good culture of Northeast, so that the cushion will be there in the local economy. So there is already a model of bamboo and fish plantation, and the research is already done. I think 10 years back, 15 years back. So if you plant bamboo in the around the fish pond, and the bamboo has a very large leaf litter percentage, and the leaf falls in the bamboo in the water, and so many that protozoans or larvae is developed. So these are eaten by the fishes. So the input cost will be less, and benefit is around, I think, 25% more as compared to normal fish pond. So these are all model developed by Research Institute. So Professor Sakato also slightly told us about the bamboo leaf fodder. So my idea is that traditionally we feed bamboo leaf to goat or cattle, but why not the wastage of that bamboo leaf can develop to dry feed, convert into dry feed, and that can be used in the cattle industry. So the experiment already done by Inbar in Madagascar, and bamboo leaf has a very high percentage of protein and other minerals, and it is not toxic. So why not? We can develop such type of feed, and the local SFG, self-help groups or cooperative, they can develop inside in the village, and that can be used inside in the village. So if you have a, I have seen in the project that one cow used to give 2 kg of milk. So after giving proper nutrition, same cow has started giving 8 kilo of milk. So in rural India, our cattle are underfed. So why not we can develop a better fed in the village itself and create employment to the rural, especially gender development. The woman will get some employment, and see the circular economy will be developed. So if it is a better milk production will increase, then economy will increase, then cow dung will be there. If cow dung will be there, they can go for bio gas. If biogas is produced, then they can use as a fuel. And the extract of biogas is a manure, and the manure again can be used in agriculture. So if you give proper feed in the village, then whole lots of circulation of economy will develop in the village. So the critical is for dry feed development from bamboo. And similarly, Northeast, people are very fond of pork. Why not? From bamboo leaf, we can develop pig feed. And especially in Nagaland, Mizoram, and Arunachal Pradesh, far-flung area, there are lots of bamboo everywhere. So why not bamboo leaf into pig feed? And I have developed chicken feed from young bamboo leaf. And Professor Sakato also already told that nano bamboo particle can be converted into chicken feed. So it is tremendous potential is there. See, the chicken in the village means you have a cash money. If you want to buy a salt, the villagers, they will take 2-3 eggs in their hand, and they will they either barter or they sell it and they bring salt. So this is a very good cash economy. So why not from bamboo leaf we go to straight to cash economy? So in this COVID period. So in case in future, if you want to develop big bamboo feed industry, there are some good species like Bambusa vulgaris. The leaf, Bambusa vulgaris is very good coefficient. If you cut it, the leaf will come. So and very good amount of protein is there in vulgaris. So we can focus on future on that line also. And number 3 is that we generally underutilize our bamboo strength, bamboo forest or bamboo groups, whatever you call it. There are already research and paper is published by Dr. Banik and his colleague in China. In South China, they produce mushroom in the bamboo floor, especially Pleurotus and Dictophora. The bamboo leaf fallen in the ground, they put some inoculation, and during the month of March or May and September, and after 2 months, Pleurotus, the fruit body is developed. Similarly, that Dictophora, after 4 months, the fruit body will develop. Bamboo, practical Shakoda is already told you that bamboo and Kamesh Salam knows that he has developed uh, bamboo poly houses in rural area of Sikkim and northeast area, and it's very popular, cheap, and sustainable. Similarly, the new variety apples, spurs variety, need stand support. So they use metal or something sticks, but why not bamboo? So they are now using, but there are still scopes in using bamboos in horticulture. And similarly, in the animal husbandry sector also, making cow shed, sty, coop, use maximum treated bamboo so that our metal will be used less and local produce will be used. And again, one suggestion is that our bamboo groups are underutilized. So in Thailand and some part of South China, they use bamboo flower as they grow medicine below the bamboo flower also, especially this ginger family, black turmeric, those species can be grown inside the shade of bamboo. So I think we should focus on those type of agriculture model. Then only the people will get more benefit, and those economy can be product will be utilized between the northeast people only. So it will benefit in for the state government for GST also. So if we are producing and we are using in the same state, means GST will consume in the will get only in the same state. And number two, if you see the environment point of view, we are using sustainable product. Bamboo is a grass. So on your the transport cost, transaction cost is very less. So we are the carbon footprint is will be very less. So we are actually helping to reduce climate change. My last suggestion and policy point will be that university, agriculture university or any university in Northeast and can join with IIM Shillong and IIT Guwahati, and they can develop incubation center, and this type of exercise or piloting can be done straightway in the farmers field, not in the lab. So it's more of an action research, and it needs incubation and support mentoring to the farmers initially. Then farmers to farmers networking is very high. Once it is successful, then it will be automatically like a wildfire. It will spread the news very fast. So this much for today. Any question I can answer afterwards. Thank you very much for patient hearing.